Hi class, this story is going to help you learn about the letter N. This is a capital N, this is a lowercase n, and the sound that the N makes. So be sure to watch and listen for all the words that start with N. Okay, listen to that sound. N. N for noisy Newt. All right, here we go. Nestled in a nice nest in Nevada is a newt named Noisy. Noisy is always making noise. And a newt is a type of amphibian. It's kind of like a salamander. Noisy lives in a nest with 8 other newts. They are all noisy, but Noisy is the noisiest newt of all. The 9 newts sit in their nest night and day and noisily make this sound. N, 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 n. And I can tell which one is noisy because he has N's all over him. Noisy and the other newts love the number 9. They often sing 9 9 times like this. 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 9. That's what they do. Can you do that? 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 9. They sing it all day long. Oh my goodness. The newts eat nuts, all different kinds of nuts, like peanuts and walnuts and almonds, and they also eat noodles. They leave their nest to look for them. Then they bring the nuts and the noodles back they bring the nuts and the noodles back and they nibble on them in their nest. Well, one day when the 9 newts were out hunting for nuts and noodles, a noisy porcupine passed by. He tromped right through Noisy's nest and accidentally left a few of his prickly needles. Oh no, Noisy won't know that those needles are in his nest. This sounds like the problem in the story. As night fell, Noisy was the first newt to return to his nest. He crawled into his nice, neat nest and got ready to nibble and shouted out, "Oh no, needles in my nest!" Can you say that? Oh no, needles in my nest! The other newts heard him and rushed to help. They carried him to see Nifty the Nurse. This is Nifty the Nurse. Nifty Nurse carefully pulled all the needles out of Noisy and helped him feel nice again. The other newts were so glad to see that Noisy was okay, they happily made their newt sound. N, 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 n. They were so happy. Noisy thanked Nifty Nurse and went home to what used to be his nice, neat nest. He and the other newts took out the nasty needles and said, "No needles now." From that night on, all the newts carefully checked their nests before crawling in. Can you hear the newts nibbling noisily on their nuts and noodles? N, 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 n.